Okay, hi everybody. I'm making a little tutorial video for you to help understand the rubric sort today. So what we have is the argument essay rubric that we're going to be using to make our argument essays. And I just wanted to give you guys some exposure on interacting with the rubric and understanding what we're shooting for here. So in this meeting column, you can see that there are three different categories. There's introduction, supporting paragraphs, and conclusion. Okay? In each category, there is an indication of what the writer does. So if we're meeting and we're in there, we are looking for these three things. In number one, grab my reader's strong claim that takes a debatable issue, and with three main reasons. The first thing you want is the essay. Okay, read it all. Then you go back, introduction, which is right. Introduction, remember we're listed here. Let me show you an example. We haven't talked about how to grab for this one here. Name that takes clear side. Now this is what I'm looking for. So when I'm reading the first paragraph and writer that takes a clear side on a debate. Learning a foreign language, and culture that goes with it, is one that we can do empathy and imaginative with children. This was stated of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. This quote, children learn about one's culture and learn to respect it. Should be required. Hold on. This right here might be our claim. You might say, you can class, but don't think it should. You can see here that the writer is on a debate issue. Do is highlight that, add a comment, highlight this section here that we just found, copy and paste that, and add a comment, because now I'm showing that a piece from the rubric text itself. Okay, so you continue doing this, all section supporting paragraphs and conclusion. You can see here they make the claim, but they might not support it. If they don't, I might highlight reasons to support my claim. Okay, that's for you to fill. The rubric is graded categories. I hope this helps.